Look at this. I am at a Jasmine in DeLuna. This is a new home tour. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I am a realtor here in the Village of Florida. Just got done playing pickleball, so I'm a little sweaty because it's finally hot out. Yes, thank God. I was so tired of it being cold. But anyway, we're going to take a look around. $380,000 Jasmine model in the Village of DeLuna. Let's take a look around, and hopefully this will be your next home in the Villages, Florida. All right, we're just going to take a little peek around the neighborhood. Now this home is built in 2022, so you don't have to worry about the roof, the HVAC, and this is tankless hot water because it's gas down here south of 44. They do have gutters, whole home gutters. And the driveway has, or the two-car garage has the epoxy, and I'll show you that in a little bit. They have some cute, manageable landscaping. This is landscaping after my own heart. Don't have to be picking too many weeds, so. All right, let's go on inside. Alrighty, so we step in and you have big open area. Now, you know, up north, you'll see some of these models right where my finger is, they'll have a wall there or two-level kitchen cabinet, and this one does not, which I personally like. Make sure my sound is working. This is vinyl flooring throughout and carpet in the bedrooms. Have stainless steel appliances. House is immaculate. Formica, stainless steel sink. It's big and deep, which you know I am a fan of. And the cabinets against white are going to be a little bit of a cream color. And if you just look below, I'll give you the information on the bond, the CDD. And this is Sumter County Wildwood. So there is an additional Wildwood tax here. If you have a question and want to know about what the taxes would be when you purchase this home, just call me, text me, email me, and I will give you that information. So this, I have seen several different ways people handle this space. So I've seen where they continue the cabinets and so for more storage, but they have actually put a nice breakfast nook table here. You can turn this space into a little bit of an office. They do have plantation shutters, but the rooms are very bright. Oh, look at that. Seriously organized. I was in a house, I sold a home a while back, and they had this kind of organization, and it inspired me. But my cabinets are a lot smaller. So now I'm getting pullouts, and I'll talk about that in another video. I have a company coming to give me a quote for some pullouts. And let me see, soft closure. They have some drawers. Clean range. Did a nice job lining that out. Okay. All right. I'm going to take you into the garage next. This is a two-car garage. It's a very friendly door. All right, put the lights on. So this is a standard too. Epoxy flooring. This does have a whole home surge protector. And they have the Nova water filter. Now, if you know, I put this on my home. This system is $695. It's $139 a year, and they'll come and change out the filters. You can change it yourself, but hello, sunshine, I'm not doing that. I pay the guy to come and do it. He's there for 20 minutes, well worth the money spent, because I don't want to touch and break anything. And here, this is where your air handler is. And there's still a little space back here. You could put some shelving if you have, I don't know, whatever you want to store back there, or hang everything up. And Massey's treats the home. Now, these homes are all treated for termites. That's the sprinkler. Massey treats the home, or the homes are treated when they're built. That's what I want to say. But there's a little bit of storage over there. And the epoxy here is brown with a little bit of black. This garage floor is really clean. All right, here comes Todd. Come on in. All right, sorry about that. My photographer just came in. He's out there videoing, giving me my aerial shot. Dining room. They just have a small table here. You know, this would be great for a table if you want to do puzzles or games, or you can, if you're into puzzles, because I see that a lot, you can make that your puzzle table and you don't have to take it down. So the walls are like a creamy pale yellow. It's very bright in here. And big double doors. There is the road there, but this is, what is this, Marsh Bend Trail. But then there's water there, so I'm gonna call this Water View. Yep. Well, you can see the water, and I tell you, I know that in this price range, you're better off having that road in your backyard than people, if you can avoid it, because this is going to be quiet. You put some more trees out there, you'll make it definitely but people riding by, they're not stopping and looking in. So I don't really see this as a problem. So to the left, now we have utility room, laundry, cute little Longaberger baskets. And here, they took the utility sink out, but it's still plumbed. So if you wanted to pop one back in, it's going to be easy enough to do. And this has, I like these better than the accordion doors. But there's a storage closet in here. And they're seriously organized people. Okay. Continue to move on into the primary. So this is 1,569 square feet of living space. Overall space with the garage, lanai, you're talking 2,300. They're taking the furniture though. They're still staying in Florida. They're just moving out of the community. So the furniture is not available. And we have plantation shutters. The carpet is in excellent condition. And you know, there's nothing really wrong with carpet in the bedrooms. Keeps everything kind of quiet. Nice color coordinated closet. I'm trying to slow down my videos. This room is a pale blue. I know sometimes in the video you can't really get an idea of the color. Primary bathroom has a pocket door and big mirror, dual sinks. Same cabinets that are in the kitchen. Soft closure. And the drawers. And you got storage closet. And this model has a Roman shower. They did this frosted window in the bathroom with the plantation shutter and then Roman shower. And it's all tile. That's a nice shower head. All right, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. All right, don't forget, if you're searching for a property, you want to pick up my home buying journal. It's on Amazon. You keep track of everything in your home search. You can keep your MLS listings in there or VLS. You can record the CDD, the bond, everything that has to do with the house, and it'll keep you super organized. It has the next steps checklist in and what to expect once you close or once you actually go under contract. So you want to pick up your copy today on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below. All right, let's continue. All right, now I know if you are thinking about selling a home here in the Villages, if you're interested, I would be happy to meet with you to give you a home evaluation, tell you what I think you need to do to get the home ready to sell. If there are any updates that are needed, you're going to want to check out that video. I'll put it in the description box below where I tell you what you should do to get your home ready. But take that into consideration if you're thinking about selling. All right, now this does have a pocket door, so if you have guests, you know, you can have privacy. This is the man cave music room. Look at those speakers. And more plantation shutters and big closet. Wow, they are seriously organized. Now, this is what I see. When I see a home like this, it's organized, it's very clean. I know during a home inspection, we're not going to find anything. It's going to be stupid little nothing stuff, which is peace of mind for you. Guest bath. And it's the same vinyl throughout, except for in the bedrooms. All right, linen closet. And I'll take you outside in a moment. Now this bedroom, the ceilings are taller and up north, but it has a square tray ceiling, which I really like that squared off look. And their daughter, this is the daughter's room, which is purple, which is one of my favorite colors. So you can do a lot of different configurations with the home, with the space and closet. All right, now I'm gonna go take a look. I'm gonna take you out on the lanai. Oops, sorry. All right, so now it is just a little bit after 4. I'm pretty sure that's not a resident, year-round resident. Although it is 80 degrees out, so I can't say that. It was funny because yesterday I saw someone laying out in a bathing suit on a chair and it was freezing cold. And they have the epoxy on the floor here, but what I'm saying is you got nice, you can see that water. Oh wait, now you just pick up the screen. Here, I'm gonna go outside so you can see it. And you've already seen that aerial. Oops, locked. All right, here I go. Oh, they've continued the theme with the epoxy out here. And see, they have a big yard. There is room for a pool here. There we go. There's the water. Oops, there's the water. Okay. Again, like I said, this is block and stucco. 2-car garage. All right, there you have it. We're at 4429 Homan Loop in the Village of DeLuna. 3-bed, 2-bath Jasmine model, 1,800 square feet, listing for $380,000. Let's make this home your next home. Well, I hope you enjoyed this home tour. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. If you would like to make an offer on this home, call me, text me, email me. My phone number has been up above for you to take a look. $380,000 in the Village of DeLuna. Make them an offer they can't refuse. All right, I have at least two, maybe 3 other listings coming this week. So buyers are back. It's time to buy. All right, people, let's buy this one today. All right, I'll see you next time.